All right, back in the shop here. It's about the end of November. Kind of cold out today. Guys are still out working. I'm doing some stuff in the shop. We got a little bit of an addition here that should help with our winter maintenance. This is a Foward 4-post lift with the extra long wheelbase, so I should be able to put our F550s and whatnot on here. And I got one rolling jack. So actually even the Hino should be able to go up on here. Skid steers, trailers, whatever. Actually, I guess, well, maybe not. Mowers. We got the mower lift already, but nice and wide here. So this should be a great addition. Help with our maintenance. Yeah, it takes up a lot of space in the shop, but it'll be good rather than laying on the ground. So we're doing some cleaning today. And yeah, this was installed this morning. They got it done in less than 2 hours. It was up, so we're going to do some electrical work, get it all wired up. It actually requires air as well, so we're working on that. And just kind of tinkering around the shop and whatnot. So another thing about the 4-post that I like, I can put an enclosed trailer up here or a flatbed and work on it, which is nice. But I can also use this as a workbench. Put all the small equipment up on the deck here, lift it up. When I build flatbeds and stuff, they can start right on here. You know, put the cross members across, square everything up real nice, put the frame on, then flip it. And I can work on all that, which will be super helpful and make that whole job a little bit easier. So that's what we got right now. I'm working on some mirrors, and we'll touch back shortly. Well, this afternoon we got the lift wired up. You can see the conduit coming up and over, down to the panel. We got that done. And this one actually uses a strange, different setup with an air locking support. So I got the first truck on here right now. It's not quite centered, but it'll do. Fits pretty nice. So this is just a little sample run, trying it out. But that's what it looks like with the truck on it. So you can see I have some more, definitely some more space to put. I can pull forward another 2 feet and still have a lot of room behind me. So let's get this thing up in the air and see what it looks like. Talk about functionality. Oh my gosh. It's up in the air quite a bit now. It's still got more room to go. But we are, I mean, geez, what else? I can't really go any higher for stuff, you know what I mean? Like pickup truck wise, I'm actually getting maxed out on room. But look at the serviceability underneath this thing. Can really get down to everything. Nice. This is going to be so nice for training oil. Oh, you see my drive shaft's missing. Getting new U-joints put on it. Get the fuel tank, fuel filter. Oh man, you're working up like this instead. I mean, I could lower it down and still be pretty comfortable. This is a lot higher than I think I would ever. This is the highest I would need to be. And then on top of that, we got this rolling jack here, which I can set up. I'd like to see this one work. And you can lift the front of the truck up with that. So I'm going to mess with that now, get this set in place, and try that out. So I can lift the truck up on the lift. So let's do that. All right, so this rolling jack, you can slide it wherever you need to. We're going to use this lift point right here. This one, that might hit. Oh, I can slide it over. I think that'll work. Okay, on this side here, I got some adapters I can put in. I think that one will do. Maybe. That'll get me a little closer. I guess I got to really make sure to center this thing so it fits. All right, that looks good there. Let me get the airline. Alright, so you can tell this one didn't really set exactly how I wanted it, but this one set really nicely. Wheels are off the ground, so I can still do all the service to the wheel that everyone tells me I can't do. That wheel's off the deck there, so now I can actually lower this and continue to work on it with it lowered. I got way better access to the starter, transmission pan, everything. It's got a lock on it. You gotta lock this thing in place so you can service all the front end. Look at, oh my god, this is gonna be so much easier for grease it. This is incredible. So this is super exciting. Plow mounts. You got a problem with the plow mount or the cooler? Look at that line right there. It's gonna need to be replaced. Trans cooler, plow mount. I can start doing my own plow mounts. That doesn't look too hard. It's like a bracket over top. Check for sorts of steering issues and ball joints and stuff like that. So that'll make this a huge difference. So that's really cool. So this is exciting. Definitely gonna make servicing the equipment a lot easier. Pretty simple setup here. You got, I don't know why they make it like this, but you gotta push it down to go up. All right, I got the lock over here. Then go up. Little lock over here to go up. Push it like this to go back down. Should come right down. What a huge difference this is. Make sure these get pulled out. This is awesome. This is going to make things a lot easier.